Welcome back for another GRT price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, GRT continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at the $0.1506 mark. And as long as that continues to hold, I'm expecting another bounce back, breaking above the $0.165 mark and possibly flip it back into support and continue seeing higher prices. And before I get further into the technical analysis to also give you my Elliot analysis, allow me to first share the fundamental news that I'm expecting during the course of the week, where you can see that tomorrow we have the CPI data, and on Wednesday we can expect the PPI and also the FOMC meeting. And as a result of these three events, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the markets, and these suggest that there are chances that in the next coming hours or maybe days we are going to see very volatile moves in these charts. And at the time of this recording, GRT continues to hold above our invalidation points, still suggesting that GRT is obeying the Elliot structures. And zooming out on the charts, you can see that after getting our significant low on the 18th of October, GRT gave us this massive pump to the upper side, giving us a high above the $0.165 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 1, then gave us a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area over here. We fully maximized the area and started a that is an aggressive move to the upside in what I'm now terming as the start of this wave 3 to the upside. And in my previous videos, I have been giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 above the 1:1 fib ratios at the $0.2 mark as the first target area. And the second target area I gave you at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $0.26 mark. Those were my target areas for that wave 3 to the upside, and they still remain to be my target areas. But for those movements, those target areas to be hit, we need to see GRT give us a reversal in the next coming hours and also continue to hold above the $0.1506 mark. And as long as that continues to hold, I'm expecting another bounce back, break above the $0.16 mark, maybe see a retest, break above the $0.17 mark, which are significant highs for us to get above the $0.2 mark. And a break above the $0.2 mark, then GRT can easily get above the $0.26 mark, giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upside. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing that pullback and maybe the pullback is deeper, maybe back into support at the $0.15 mark, and maybe at some point we lose that key area of support, then I will be expecting a retest of the lows that we made at the $0.13 mark, and that will be suggesting that we have now hit invalidation areas for this Elliot structure over here. And at that point, I'll have to restructure my Elliot analysis and also come up with a more bearish Elliot analysis here on the charts. So that is what I'm watching out for on the GRT chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.